right. Hey, some people say I kind of remind them of Kevin Hart. Hey, so I do my all right, all right, all right, all right this morning. Hey, this is Fired Up Monday. You know how we always do it. So this Monday morning, hey, here's what I'm going to talk to you about this Monday morning about staying fired up. Now, regardless of what type of business that you're in, regardless of whatever you're doing, the thing that'll keep you pushing, even when you're tired, even when you don't feel like doing it no more, even when things are not going the way that you prefer, is a why. Get you a why. Get you a reason that's huge and most significant enough why you're doing certain things. And when it gets to that point when those things start getting hard, that why is what'll push you to take and continue to do what you're doing. And one thing that I heard the gentleman say the other day, Roderick Muhammad, and one thing that I say as well is that when you say you're going to do something, and sometimes when you say you're going to do something, you have a certain kind of feeling that you're feeling when you say it. So here's what he said, and then I also say, do what you say you're going to do, even after the feeling that you had when you said it is gone. And let me let you hear a little snippet of something that he was saying in one of his videos. Let me let you hear this real quick and see on this. Hopefully this gets you fired up like it got me fired up.
It's when you're ready to make a change.
Yeah.
The universe just starts to come to your aid.
There you go.
Things that were in your way, they're not there anymore. People who were either a hindrance, sometimes they become a help.
Yeah.
So it's just all about you getting your mind ready
You hear
for
that?
the journey.
That's what you got to do. You keep pushing. You keep doing what you got to do. You keep fired up and keep being fired up. And things are just started happening for you. And people are started being in your life that needs to be in your life. And people that don't need to be in your life are started being X in your life. Hey, this is Larry with the MI Agency. Stand fired up, baby. Let's get it. Come on.